Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding an international conference, and this conference is virtual or hybrid or online conference, and it is going to cover some data analysis and social networks related subjects. And this conference, once your paper has got accepted, it will be get indexed in a Scopus index printer book series, and it takes nearly 1 month to 1.5 months for paper public acceptance. That is 1 month, 10 days. So then we can move to this conference, which is the 11th International Conference on Computational Data and Social Networks. So they have given as an important note that due to this COVID situation, this conferences will be fully virtual, and also they have mentioned it is an interdisciplinary forum, and it is going to cover subjects like network computing, social network, mining, security and privacy, and also deep learning. And this conference is also going to address some computational problems with the focus of the fundamental background. So the topics of interest include, and that is also given, it is not limited to these topics. So before seeing this topic of interest, we can move to this Springer journal. Here they have given the Springer book series as lecture notes in computer science, and if you see in Scopus database, it will be indexed in the Scopus database. So now back again to the topic of interest, we can see the topics of interest include real-world complex networks analysis, trends and pattern analysis in social networks, representation learning on networks, big data analysis, mathematical modeling and analysis of real-world social platforms, network structure analysis and dynamics optimization, data network design and architecture, information diffusion models and techniques, security and privacy in data networks, efficient algorithms for large-scale data networks computing, reputation and trust in social media, social influence, recommendation and media, applications of complex data network analysis, energy efficiency in mobile data networks, natural language understanding for social media, e-commerce and social media marketing, deep learning on graphs and its applications, stock market prediction and stock recommendation with social media data, anomaly detection, security and privacy in big data networks, analysis of signed and attributed real-world networks, multidimensional graph analysis, algorithmic fairness in social network analysis and graph mining. And then, as I mentioned previously, they have given accepted papers will be published in Springer lecture notes in computer science, and it is also indexed by ISI, which is included in Web of Science, then EA Competence Index, and ACM Digital Library, DVLP, Google Scholar, Math, SCA Net, etc. And also they have given the extended papers will be selected for some journal publication in journals of combinatorial optimization, and also in IEEE transactions on network science and engineering. And then they have given the link for submitting your paper. The papers must be have to be formatted based on the Springer template which they have given, and then the submission link is also given. Then we can move to the dates. Then coming to the dates, the submission of the paper last date is August 14 2022, and the acceptance notification will be happen within a 1 to 1.5 months gap, which is September 24 2022. And then the camera ready paper submission or registration will be happen on October 8 2022, and they have also mentioned the conference dates. So these are the details regarding this conference. I'm just providing the overview of this conference. So if you are interested in this conference means, you can just check the link which we have shared in the description box. Thank you.